Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve for the real value of x that will satisfy this exponential equation. So we have 4 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x. This is equal to 20. So let's get started. Now we know that this 4 right over here, we can express this for an index power of 2 as 2 to the power of 2. Then we have a power of x. So here we have plus 2 to the power of x. This is equal to 20. Now let us make use of this property. We know that a to the power of b in bracket to the power of c, we can interchange the power and we get a to the power of c in bracket to the power of b. So here this will become 2 to the power of x in bracket to the power of 2, then plus 2 to the power of x. So this is equal to 20. So let us go ahead and make the following nice substitution. We're going to let 2 to the power of x equals y. And we know that for the real value of x, y must be greater than 0, right? For the real value of x here, y must be greater than 0. So here we derive the following quadratic equation in terms of y. So this will become y squared plus, so here this is y, this is equal to 20, right? So here this equation we can write as y squared plus y, then minus 20, this is equal to 0. Now let us talk about this equation. Now let us find the product of the leading term and the constant negative 20, right? So their product is negative 20y squared, right? So we're going to look for two terms that the product will give us negative 20y squared and their sum will give us just y. So this stands for product and this one stands for sum. And if you think about it, 4 and 5 must be involved, right? But the 4 is going to have a negative, while 5 will be positive. We all know that negative 4 plus 5 will give us 1. But here y will be attached. So these two terms here will be negative 4y and 5y. Okay? So now this y right over here, we can write it as y squared. So this will be negative 4y plus 5y. Because we know negative 4y plus 5y will give us y. Then here we have minus 20 and this is equal to 0. Now we can factor out y from here. We get y minus 4. And here we can factor out 5, which is positive 5. We get here y minus 4 as well. And this is equal to 0. Now in our next step, this is factorized as y minus 4 is common and we're left with y plus 5. And this is equal to 0. So this implies from here that either y minus 4 is equal to 0 or y plus 5 is equal to 0. And we know for this equation here y is equal to negative 5, but we know that y cannot be negative. For us to get the real value for x, we stated that earlier. So here we have the only positive value for y, which is equal to 4. Now we need to recall back once again that 2 to the power of x is equal to y. So here we substitute the value for y, which is 4. We express for an index power of 2, which is 2 to the power of 2. Equating the powers, since we have the same base, we get our solution. X is equal to 2 is the only real solution that satisfies the given equation. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe. Also like, comment and share.